Alright, we just got back from our trip. It was a nasty, crappy day outside, but I thought I'd kind of go over what happened on our long trip out of town, and actually everything went quite well. So we did a grand total of 1,421 miles. We averaged about 18 miles per gallon for the trip, which not too shabby for a 160,000 mile car. And everything went pretty well. The only thing we had was a door latch stuck on the passenger side door at one of the stops we made, which got fixed. I got it lubricated up. Everything works fine. But that was our trip. No big issues. We did get a couple parts for the Q7 while we were out and about. Let's take a look at those. Also picked up a few parts for the Q7 at the junkyard, which is a new fuel door, and also a antenna cover for the roof, since it didn't have one. Still works and everything, but there we go. Also, when you go on vacation with your family on a 9-hour drive, don't you guys always pick up extra parts for your Touareg build when you're 9 hours away from home? Because that's what we did. We ended up getting a front bumper complete assembly, and believe it or not, there's also a fender underneath there as well, and a inner fender liner, which cost me a little more than I expected from a junkyard, but it's all good to go, and it has all the pieces already in it. So good addition, good start for that one.